Endless fields of cotton stretch across the landscape. This soft fiber is the beginning of every t-shirt ever made. Each cotton boll holds a cluster of natural fibers. But before they can be used, they must be carefully harvested.
Modern harvesting machines gather cotton at an industrial scale. Speed and efficiency are essential at this stage.
The collected cotton is compressed into dense modules. This makes it easier to transport in large quantities.
Lift it up slowly now. Easy, bring it to the right. All right, hold it there, set it down.
The raw cotton travels across long distances. Its destination is where transformation begins. At the processing facility, raw cotton enters the industrial system. This is where preparation truly begins.
The compacted cotton is opened and separated. It must return to its natural loose state.
Conveyor systems move the cotton deeper into the plant. Each stage prepares it for the next step.
At this stage, the cotton is far from clean. Natural debris must be removed before processing continues.
The cotton enters its first mechanical system. Initial cleaning begins with controlled motion.
Powerful filtration systems remove airborne dust. Clean air is essential for both workers and machinery. The cotton begins to change in texture, but it is still far from ready for production.
Quality checks begin early in the process. Even small inconsistencies can affect the final product.
The system grows more complex as the cotton moves forward. Each stage is designed for precision and scale.
The material now enters the core of industrial processing. This is only the beginning of its transformation.
From raw fiber to refined material, the journey has just begun. But before it becomes,
the compacted cotton is gradually opened into loose fibers. This step ensures uniform flow for the stages ahead. Specialized rollers separate the fibers without damaging them. Maintaining fiber integrity is critical at this stage. Cotton from different batches is blended together. This creates a consistent quality across the entire production line.
Airflow helps mix the fibers evenly. Uniform blending improves the final fabric quality. Fine impurities are removed using mechanical filters. Only clean fibers move forward in the process. Air suction systems capture microscopic dust. This keeps both the cotton and the environment clean. Carding is the first major transformation stage. Here, fibers begin to align into a continuous sheet. Thousands of fine teeth comb through the fibers. This removes tangles and improves alignment. The cotton now forms a thin, continuous web. This marks the transition from raw fiber to structured material.
The synchronization on line 3 is slightly off.
I see it. Adjusting the tension now.
The cotton web is condensed into slivers. These soft strands prepare the material for further refinement.
The slivers are stored in organized containers. This allows controlled feeding into the next stage.
Automation moves the material forward efficiently. Human intervention is minimized to ensure precision. Multiple slivers are combined and drawn out. This improves fiber alignment and consistency.
The fibers are stretched to improve uniformity. This step reduces irregularities in the material.
The process is repeated multiple times. Each pass increases the quality of the fiber structure.
Quality checks ensure the fibers meet strict standards. Any variation is corrected immediately.
The fibers now enter the roving stage. A slight twist prepares them for the next transformation.
The cotton is now cleaner, stronger, and more uniform. Next, it will be spun into yarn, the foundation of every t-shirt.
The refined fibers now enter the spinning stage. Here, they are transformed into continuous yarn.
The fibers are drawn out even further. This reduces thickness while maintaining strength. Twist is added to bind the fibers together. This creates a strong and stable yarn.
Hundreds of yarn strands are produced at once. Precision ensures uniform thickness across all threads.
The newly formed yarn is wound onto bobbins. Even winding prevents defects in later stages.
Automation keeps production continuous. Downtime is minimized through precise machine coordination. Modern machines detect and repair thread breaks instantly. This maintains continuous production flow.
Completed bobbins move to the next stage automatically. The process remains uninterrupted.
Tension is carefully controlled during winding. Uniformity is essential for fabric consistency.
The yarn is now ready in its final spun form. It will soon become the structure of fabric.
Knitting machines begin forming the fabric. Threads are interlocked into continuous loops.
Thousands of needles work simultaneously. Each movement creates a precise loop.
The yarn transforms into a flexible fabric. Its structure gives the t-shirt its stretch and comfort.
The fabric is produced as a continuous tube. This method improves efficiency and reduces waste.
Production scales rapidly at this stage. Large quantities of fabric are created in a short time.
Early inspection ensures the fabric meets standards. Flexibility and consistency are carefully checked.
The fabric is now fully formed, but still unfinished. Next, it will undergo refinement to achieve its final look and feel.
The raw fabric enters the refinement stage. Here, its final appearance begins to take shape. The fabric is immersed in carefully controlled dye baths. Color is applied evenly across every fiber. Inside the drum, constant motion ensures uniform absorption. Every section of fabric receives equal treatment. Temperature and chemical balance are precisely controlled. Even small variations can affect the final color.
Operators oversee the process continuously. Their adjustments maintain consistent results.
The fabric emerges fully saturated with color. Excess dye is removed before the next stage.
Rollers extract excess moisture from the fabric. This prepares it for controlled drying.
The material passes through a drying chamber. Heat removes remaining moisture evenly. Warm air circulates around the fabric. This ensures uniform drying without damage. The fabric is now dry and stabilized. It is ready for surface refinement. Compacting reduces future shrinkage. This step ensures dimensional stability.
The structure becomes more consistent. This improves both durability and feel. Steam treatment softens the fabric. It enhances comfort and flexibility.
Edges are aligned with precision. Accuracy here prevents issues in cutting later.
Edges are trimmed for uniformity. Precision cutting ensures consistency in every roll.
The refined fabric is now complete. It is prepared for the next transformation.
From raw fiber to finished fabric, the transformation is nearly complete. Next, this material will be shaped into wearable form.
The refined fabric now enters garment production. It is carefully prepared for precise cutting.
Multiple layers are spread with exact alignment. This ensures uniform cutting across every piece. Computer-guided systems cut the fabric into shapes. Accuracy at this stage defines the final fit. High-speed blades ensure clean edges. Each cut must be exact to avoid waste. The cut pieces are sorted into components. Each part will soon be assembled into a garment. High-speed stitching binds the fabric securely. Consistency ensures long-lasting durability. The collar is attached with precision. This detail defines both comfort and shape. The garment begins to take its final form. It now moves toward quality inspection.
Seams are tested for durability. They must withstand repeated use and washing.
Stitch quality is closely examined. Even small defects are unacceptable.
Defective pieces are immediately separated. They are either repaired or discarded. Approved garments are pressed to remove wrinkles. This gives them a clean, finished appearance.
Steam and pressure refine the final texture. Presentation is as important as construction.
Each garment is folded with precision. Uniformity simplifies packaging and storage. The finished products move toward final preparation. Only the last step remains. The garments are now complete and approved. Next, they will be packaged and prepared for the market. The finished garments enter the final stage. Packaging prepares them for distribution.
Each t-shirt is carefully enclosed for protection. This preserves its quality during transport.
The final adjustments are made by hand. Presentation is checked one last time.
Heat sealing secures the packaging. It protects the garment from dust and moisture. Each package is scanned and recorded. Tracking ensures accurate inventory control. Digital systems monitor every unit. Nothing leaves the facility unaccounted. Products are sorted into organized groups. Efficiency is maintained at every step.
The garments are packed into shipping boxes. Each box is arranged for safe transport.
Boxes are sealed securely. They are now ready for shipment. Sealed boxes move toward distribution. The final logistics process begins.
Automation stacks boxes onto pallets. This ensures stability during transport. Protective wrapping stabilizes the load. It prevents shifting during shipping.
Finished products are stored temporarily. They await distribution to markets worldwide. Forklifts move the pallets efficiently. Logistics systems keep everything in motion.
Bring it back slowly. Watch the clearance on the left.
Okay, that looks good right there. Set it down.
Each shipment is sealed and secured. It is now ready to leave the facility.
The finished t-shirts begin their journey to retailers. From factory to store, the process continues.
The final product reaches the consumer, ready to be worn and used every day.
From raw cotton to finished garment, every step matters. A simple t-shirt carries a complex story of precision and transformation.